Hello! I'm excited to show you how DiagnoSEO's tools and WordPress plugin can significantly enhance your SEO performance. I'll walk you through the top practical use cases that can boost your website traffic and revenue. These solutions are proven, easy to apply, and can make a huge difference for your site. So let's get started. Find SEO issues hurting your Google ranking. Let's begin with the SEO Audit tool. It runs a fully automated, detailed SEO audit with over 200 checkpoints, covering on-page, off-page, technical SEO, performance, social, analytics, and more. This powerful tool helps you uncover hidden SEO issues that might be dragging down your Google ranking. Analyze competitors in SERP. Next, let's dive into the SERP Analyzer. It checks essential ranking factors, provides recommendations, and analyzes content, backlinks, keyword placement, and technical SEO. This tool helps you understand why your competitors rank higher in search results and what you can do to improve. Discover what people are searching for. Now, let's explore the Keyword Ideas tool. This tool allows you to perform advanced keyword research using live results from Google Autocomplete. This helps you understand the latest search trends and popular keywords, which is crucial for optimizing your content strategy. Check search volume, trends, and ranking difficulty in bulk. The next tool is Bulk Search Volume Checker. This tool allows you to analyze multiple keywords at once, saving time and giving you a comprehensive view of search volumes, trends, and ranking difficulty. Using this tool helps you streamline your keyword research process, saving time while providing valuable data for a comprehensive SEO strategy. Discover competitors' backlink sources. Moving on, let's look at the Backlink Checker. This tool is essential for understanding where your competitors get their backlinks. This information can help you enhance your own backlink profile. By identifying your competitors' backlink sources, you can develop a stronger backlink strategy, improving your site's authority and search rankings. Uncover the most linked pages of competitors. Continuing with the Backlink Checker tool, you can also identify the most linked pages on your competitors' sites. This helps you understand why these pages attract backlinks and how you can apply similar strategies. Find broken backlinks to your website. Next, let's talk about finding and fixing broken backlinks. This is crucial for maintaining valuable link equity and improving SEO. The Backlink Checker helps you locate these broken backlinks. Fixing broken backlinks helps you restore valuable link equity, improving your site's SEO and overall user experience. Get data-driven SEO recommendations for your article. Now, let's focus on optimizing your articles with data-driven recommendations. The SEO Content Editor provides SEO recommendations based on search engine result page analysis. This helps you optimize your articles for better